Hello guys, in this tutorial we will learn about in instruction in 8085 microprocessor. Now this instruction reads the data from 8-bit port address. And now this instruction is written as in 8-bit port address. And now this instruction reads the data from 8-bit port address into accumulator. And this instruction takes 2 bytes of memory, 3 machine cycle and 10 T-states. Now let's say at location 8000H we write an instruction in 40H. Now this instruction reads the data from address 40H into accumulator. And now this is our 8085 microprocessor containing all the basic units and registers. And now comes memory starting from location 8000H. And now this is our input device. And now let's say in input device at location 30H we have a value 36, and at location 40H we have a value 44, and at location 50H we have a value 66, and at location 60H we have a value 52. And now this is our instruction in 40H. Now first of all, program counter contains the address of the instruction, that is 8000. Then instruction register goes to the location 8000H and fetch the instruction, that is in 40H. And now this process is called opcode fetch. After opcode fetch, the instruction is decoded in the instruction decoder. And then program counter gets incremented by 1 and becomes 8001. Then the data at location 8001 gets copied to register Z. After this, the data at location 40H of input device gets copied to accumulator. And then program counter gets incremented by 1 and becomes 8002. And now thanks for watching. If you like the video then please subscribe our channel.